नमस्ते. तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे स्वागत आहे. We welcome you all to an intersecting display of Max being similar to worldly art. So, art and maths are closely related in terms of reasoning skills and pattern recognition. Today, we are going to talk about worldly painting and the fusion of maths with it. Worldly art, India's global art, proudly tribal art. Arts and maths are totally different yet closely related as right versus left brain, creative versus analytical, and imaginative versus practical. Artists and mathematicians use geometrical fundas of shapes, symmetry, proportions, and measurements in their work. For example, painter Pablo Picasso's paintings, The Three Musicians, using geometric shapes and our very own Indian tribal art, Worli paintings. Originated from Worli tribes settled on the North Sahyadri range of Maharashtra, India, these rudimentary wall paintings are two-dimensional with no proportion, simple, linear, and with maximum use of triangles, and they use basic graphic vocabulary of circle, triangle, and a square. So today I, Pavaki Pratibha Agrawal, along with my teammates Bhumika, Palak, Shelly and Suhani, with our handmade Worldly postcards, will enlighten you with the new normal hygiene protocols post-COVID-19. And a crowning glory, Worlimati will win hearts with her mathematical concepts of triangles, congruency, parallel lines, intersecting lines, all integrated with Worli, the triangle art. Our feature, From Aesthetically Clean to Clinically Clean, will showcase the new normal hygiene parameters post COVID 19 through our Worli paintings.
Keep your surrounding clean. Thanks to the Clean India campaign called Swachh Bharat Mission, the multiple facets of wash, safely manage water, sanitization, and hygiene are well understood in India now. If applied constantly over time, these inventions are potential threat to human transmission of COVID-19 virus in homes, communities, health facilities, schools, and other public spaces.
Hand washing. Wash hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and 8 to 10 times a day. While outside or inside home, you need to keep the germs at bay. Wearing a mask. My mask protects you. Your mask protects me. Though unclear still, experts suggest wearing mask might help keep the COVID-19 virus in check. Personal hygiene. Soap is to the body what laughter is to the soul. Keep your body clean, and yes, the noble deaths and hot baths are the best cures for depression.
Social distancing. As life moves, post COVID-19 era has social distancing as a normal trend. In words of health experts, if we maintain social distancing, how we will get our best days soon. Namaste is our new normal. Hygiene refers to the condition and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of disease. The ongoing global pandemic crisis, the changing protocol of hygiene practices are hand washing, personal hygiene, wearing a mask, social distancing, and keep your surrounding clean.
Now We welcome you all to our show Kaun Banega Wali Mati. So, it's time for KBW. We have few questions for you which are a set of 5 and for them the rules are as follows. Time to solve the question is 15 seconds. Please send your answers in the chat box so that the first come first serve can be our selection criteria. So, let's start and best of luck to all our participants. Please participate and enjoy. So, our first question is
Lines AB and CD intersect at a point O. The sides CA and OB have been produced to E and F respectively that A equals to X degree, B equals to Y degree. If C equals to 80 degree, O equals to 40 degree and D equals to 70 degree, then what is the value of X degree plus Y degree? Option A is 240 degree, option B is 230 degree.
please send your answers in the chat box. So, the correct answer is option B 230 degrees. Let's move on to the second question.
How many types of shapes are formed in this figure, including the border? Option A is 19 and B is 20.
Write your answers in the chat box, please. So, the correct answer is option A 19. Our third question is
Question is, are these triangles congruent?
option A yes, option B no, option C insufficient information. What's your take on this question? Well, the correct answer is option B. Please note that in the beginning we specified that Wurli art is two-dimensional with no proportion, which indirectly means that the triangles cannot be congruent. Let's move on to our fourth question.
In the given figure, if A is equals to 75 degree, B is equals to 55 degree and if C is equals to 100 degree, then what will be the value of D?
Any idea? Well, the correct answer is 30 degrees. Now it's the time for our last question from you all.
Can you tell how many pairs of parallel lines are there in the painting?
Well, it's a very easy question, and I believe that everyone will be hourly mati for this question. And yes, the correct answer is 5. So, congratulations! You all are a righteous Verlimati. So, now it's the time to meet our members of the team. So, the first person is Pavaki Pratibha Agrawal, that's me, the leader of the team. Second, Bhumika Pawar. Third, Palak Baweja. Fourth, Suhani Goel. And fifth, Shelly Malik. So,
The ingredients of health and long life are great temperance, open air, easy labor, and little care.